Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to download and play Doomsday Mansion. If you don't already know, Doomsday Mansion is a mod for Doom that plays like Spooky's Jumpscare Mansions. So it's entirely made from the Doom engine, and you're basically playing like a different flavor of Spooky's that's all completely made from scratch. So I'm gonna show you all how you can download and play this mod for yourself. The first step is you need to there are three items you need to get. You need to get a copy of Doom 2. You need to get a source port called Cheesy Doom, which is the modern way of playing Doom that like supports mods and stuff. And you also need the mod itself. So, first step is Doom 2. On Steam, you can see here it costs $10 to get this. Yeah, you just have to buy this. It'll come with Doom plus Doom 2, and you need specifically doom2.wad. The doom2.wad file is basically like what the source port uses, plus the Doomsday Mansion file to run the mod. So, buy this, and then the second step, you want to go to the GZDoom website, zdoom.org/downloads. You want to download GZDoom v 4.14.2, which is the latest version of GZDoom as of recording this. And you just click on whatever, whatever operating system you're using. And lastly, you go to the Doomsday Mansion page, forum.zdoom.org. So you have to go to, I believe, like the ZDoom forum websites. And you search up Doomsday Mansion. And that should get you to the Doomsday Mansion page. And once you're here, you can download the latest version, which is listed right here. And there are also some other additional settings you change once you're in-game. So with all three of those things downloaded, what you would do is you have the Doomsday Mansion WAD file. You should have GZDoom and Doom 2. All of them should be in the same folder. And you would drag Doomsday Mansion into GZDoom. And it would give you, it would just potentially give you like a pop-up menu that like selects like which iWAD you want to play, and you want to select Doom 2. And once you do that, you should be inside the game. This is it. And there are some additional settings you will have to change in order to get things to run properly. For example, if you go to Options, Player Setup, Auto Always Run is on, you want to turn that off. Also, Display, there should be somewhere about screen size. Yes, you want to make sure screen size is set to 12. By default, it is set to 10. And if you play the game with 10, it's going to show this weird debug menu thing. And, yeah, you set it 12. What else? You also want to disable the auto map. Though, every time you boot up the game, you will have to do this every time. So you could go to compatibility options, and somewhere it should say, or no, not compatibility options, gameplay options. Somewhere it would say allow auto map. You would turn that off. Alternatively, you could just not use the auto map button. I believe it is bound to tab by default, and there's not really a way I can like disable it for this mod. But using it would just kind of be weird, I guess. I wouldn't call it cheating, but it's, I don't know, you could see the entire like map of Doomsday Mansion, which is not intentional. There are two settings in compatibility options. So somewhere in physics behavior, you should see enable while running, and you would turn that off. And for sound behavior, use original sound target handling should also be set to off. And I believe that about covers it for the settings and the whole download process as a whole. So let me know if I missed anything, and I hope you enjoy playing this mod.